In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run custom code within Make.com. This simple yet powerful process allows you to automate tasks efficiently by leveraging the strengths of Make.com combined with your custom coding expertise. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just beginning your journey with Make.com, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know to start integrating your code. First, let's head over to Make.com. This platform is fantastic for connecting apps and designing workflows, making it a go-to for individuals and businesses aiming to streamline their operations. Navigating to the Make.com homepage, you'll find the option to sign in. Click on this to enter your credentials and gain access to your workspace. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to the Make Home dashboard. This is your central hub where everything you do in Make.com begins. Familiarizing yourself with this layout is beneficial as it keeps your projects organized and accessible. From here, locate the New Scenario button. Clicking this will begin the process of setting up a new workflow where you can incorporate your custom code. Now, within this new scenario setup, you'll find a variety of options meant to customize and define what your workflow will achieve. For our purposes, we're interested in adding code to our workflow. Click on the Add button. This leads you to a search bar, which is perfect for quickly finding the modules you want to integrate into your scenario. Here's where the magic begins. In the search bar, type Code. You're looking to bring in the module that will allow you to run custom scripts within your scenario. Select Run JavaScript from the list of options. The ability to run JavaScript is a game changer on Make.com, as it allows you to insert custom logic into your processes, making them not only more powerful, but also more fitted to your specific needs. At this stage, you can write or paste your JavaScript code into the provided interface. This flexibility in coding means you can adapt your scenarios to incorporate complex functions or calculations, ensuring your automation meets the exact specifications required for your tasks. While writing your code, make use of comments and clear structure to maintain readability and functionality. Once your code is inputted and thoroughly checked, save your scenario. It's always a good practice to test these scenarios to ensure they are functioning as intended. The testing environment in Make.com lets you run scenarios with sample data, helping you locate and fix any issues before they arise in a production setting. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated custom code into your Make.com scenario, harnessing the full potential of automation for your projects. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and happy coding!